Hey there! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you the Live Selling OS, a profit tracker built for Whatnot and TikTok Shop live sellers. If you've ever finished a show buzzing from the sales, but with no real idea whether you actually made money after fees and shipping, this workbook is for you. It tracks every show, every item, and every buyer, so you always know your true profit. Let's take a look. We start on the Start Here tab. It's a friendly welcome that explains how the workbook fits together and the order to fill it in, so you're up and running in just a couple of minutes. The Settings tab is where you make it yours. Your platform fees, shipping defaults, categories, and the drop-down lists that keep every show consistent. The Shows tab is your show-by-show profit and loss. Log each live and it tallies your sales, fees, shipping, and net profit, so you can see at a glance which shows actually paid off and which didn't. The Inventory tab tracks what you buy to sell. Enter each item's cost, quantity, and sold price, and it works out your margin and flags what's running low so you never oversell or lose track of your stock. The Shipping tab keeps your fulfillment organized. What's been packed, shipped, and delivered. With your real shipping costs feeding straight into your profit numbers. The Buyers tab is your customer list. It tracks who's bought, how much they've spent, and your repeat regulars, so you can look after the fans who keep coming back. The Goals tab lets you set targets, sales, profit, shows per week, and watch your progress against them, so every live has a number to beat. Finally, the Dashboard pulls it all together. Total sales, total profit, your best shows, top buyers, and margin trends. So one screen tells you exactly how the business is really doing, and that's the whole system. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so you can update it right after a show from your phone or laptop. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and happy selling!